Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing iPad Air 11 2026 and iPad Air 13 2026. Let's see this fully video. First compare the body features. Next compare display features. iPad Air 11 comes with 11 inches Liquid Retina IPS LCD display, and the iPad Air 13 comes with 13 inches Liquid Retina IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Both two tablets are powered by the Apple M4 chipset. Camera features. They offer the same camera features. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connected HD speakers, Bluetooth 6, Wi-Fi and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.